When we say one country is more developed than another, what exactly do we mean? We compare nations or states to understand how well they're doing. But to compare, we need common indicators, measurable things that help us judge progress fairly. The most widely used indicator has been income, more specifically, per capita income. But is that the best way to measure development? Let's find out. Per capita income simply means total income of a country divided by its population. This gives us the average income of each person. The World Bank uses this to classify countries. In 2023, countries with per capita income above $63,400 were labeled high income. Those with income below $2,400 were labeled low income. India, with about $10,030 per capita, is considered lower middle income. This method helps in broad classification, but it's not perfect. Let's say a country has 5 citizens. 4 earn very little and 1 earns a huge amount. The average income may look impressive, but does it reflect the reality of the majority? This is the weakness of averages. They do not show how income is distributed. A high average can hide inequality, where only a few benefit and the rest are left behind. So while per capita income is useful, it cannot be the only indicator of development. Consider 2 countries with the same average income. In country A, everyone earns roughly the same. In country B, one person is rich, the rest are poor. Now imagine you are randomly assigned to live in one of these countries. You would likely choose country A because life is more equal and more secure. This shows why average income must be interpreted carefully. We must ask, is the wealth fairly shared? Or is it concentrated in the hands of a few? Income gives us only part of the picture. To understand development fully, we need to consider health indicators like infant mortality rate and life expectancy, education indicators like literacy rate and school attendance, public facilities, access to clean water, electricity, and safe housing. These indicators reveal what kind of life people actually live, not just how much they earn. True development means improved living conditions for all, not just rising numbers on a graph. Let's recap the key ideas. Comparing countries helps us assess progress. Per capita income is useful but limited. Averages can hide inequality. Other indicators, health, education, access to services, are essential. Real development is about the quality of life, not just the quantity of income. As we move forward, we'll explore how states within India compare on these broader indicators. Keep watching.